Hi everyone, I'm Cisca, your new French tutor, and I am going to take you through this program called French with Cisca. As we already know, learning how to speak and write French amongst English-speaking countries looks too complicated, and that should not be the case. Yes, the French language is complicated because its grammar is quite difficult to comprehend. So you need someone who really knows the in and out of the French language to put you on the edge. So I am here to make the French language appealing by breaking it down into sections for everyone. You will ask yourself, why learn French? What are the advantages I'll derive or the merits I'll derive from learning French? Trust me, learning how to speak French enables you to communicate with francophones. That is, people who come from countries like Mali, Senegal, Burkina Faso, Niger, Cameroon, and so on and so forth. Trust me, you need to take your French lessons seriously, because French serves as a starting point for other languages, which opens up the world to you. And as well, it enables you to get international jobs opportunities. If you are a student, speaking French means that you can study in a bunch of countries all around the world, especially if you want to study in some specific European universities. As a businessman, if someone should bring you a contract and a client happens to speak French, what will you do? Are you not going to hire the services of an interpreter? Trust me, those interpreters are making a lot of money. So if you know how to speak French, you will quickly save yourself the time and the energy for going to hire the services of an interpreter. So you are doing yourself some good by learning some French. So let's look at this from this perspective. What happened to a lawyer who is not too good at speaking French as well? What is he going to do? Is he going to delay the time of his client by also searching for someone who knows how to speak French? Trust me, learning how to speak French puts you on the edge, and it gives you the advantage to be on top. Honestly, I'm begging you, don't procrastinate anything. Subscribe, like, and share my videos to anyone that might need these French lessons, because it will do you some good. Supposing you travel to any of these neighboring countries, since I'm from Ghana, I'm referring to Ivory Coast, Burkina, or Togo, you can't even understand the basic French at the border, talk less of you going to the market to negotiate the price of an item. You'll be cheated. So I'm begging you, from today, subscribe, like, and share all the videos that you found on my YouTube channel. Trust me, it will do you some good.